I'm very much sorry that you did not hear the spiritual song about the guava empanada. I'm gonna sing it for you next time, but now. Okay.
Finally.
This was a very spiritual song about chicken and beef and ham and cheese and guava. That's called empanada. Now we are here. Jožek, the famous Jožek will announce how we...
What is the name of this waterfall? We forgot.
We forgot. It is...
We're somewhere in Pennsylvania.
Here it is. No, we are in between New Jersey and Pennsylvania.
I think it's Pennsylvania still.
Yeah, we are on the Pennsylvania side, and here it is the thing. The thing is here. Wait a second. Well, it's a winter. All right, Packers. All right, park, quack, 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 quack. Alerts. All right, this is the falls. We're going to the falls. We forgot the name. We're gonna announce the name later on.
In the title of this video.
And the title of this video will be on your own risk.
Do you know what the first thing that caught my eye and I almost changed my mind to go any further?
Like what?
Like the yellow sign.
Awesome. All right. Wow, 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 wow. All right. Wire fence. Okay, wire fence, by the way. The fence protects young shrubs, shrubs, and empanadas flowers from being eaten by deer. All right. Here is a deer. Here is important deer in our life.
Yes. Guys, I don't know if I want to go there. Like, it's officially said you are sharing this area with black bears.
All right. So why not share? Share is care.
Because I don't know how to behave with them, and they can be potentially dangerous.
They are
They
nice.
can bite us, they can eat us, they can kill us.
All right. All you have to do is to bring them empanada with ham and cheese. They like the ham and cheese. And some beef, all right?
Okay, hopefully it's not a long trail because I don't feel like being here. It's almost sunset.
All right, and the bear.
It's like 6:30.
Oh, tell them about the time today.
By the way, we were so surprised that the day is so long today, longer than usual. And then by 5:30 p.m. we realized that they switched the time.
Oh my God, who are they? The Illuminati?
Government.
The Illuminati.
The Illuminati.
I think it's the Illuminati job to switch the time.
Yes. It's called daylight savings. What are they trying to save? Electricity?
Yes.
On our expense?
Something like this.
Okay, they should definitely stop using private jets and all that crazy stuff if
Why?
they want to save.
Why they have to stop private jets? I don't agree with that. Now I have to close
why
my...
do we have to suffer?
I don't know.
Anyways, we are almost lost. We don't know which way to go.
Okay.
Okay.
Zhoof. We are going to the falls, by the way.
Do you hear the sound?
I hear it.
Joseph, don't leave me alone.
You see, there is fences against the bears, okay?
No, it's not against the bears.
It's against you.
They can find us. Yeah, exactly. It's against us, people like me and you, and
These
basically parasites of
we are
this earth.
dangerous people who can attack bears. Oh, right.
Can
Oh,
you see me attacking a bear?
I think we was
Honestly,
here.
look at me. Look at my like
Why?
terrified
Why
face.
do I think that we was here already somehow?
Maybe you just
Or I'm mixing up.
you have a psychic abilities and you see future.
Yeah.
This feeling is so vague that you just think that you've been here before. Oh wow, this is absolutely beautiful and deserves a video
It
of
is.
my own.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys because the camera cannot really show the pitch or the, you know, the camera somehow shows everything like flat.
By the way, it's slippery. Oh, you're right. The camera cannot capture this height.
Yeah, the camera cannot show that we are going into a very steep hills. You know, it's like for some reason the camera shows everything like a flat surface. But look at here, who lives here? I think it's the bear house.